Are you searching for a knockout pre-designed template to present your dissertation? Well, you've landed on the perfect video. This template is the ultimate solution you've been eagerly anticipating, designed to keep everyone glued to your thesis with its impressive introduction. You can give a compelling literature review that provides a comprehensive understanding of existing knowledge and research related to the topic. If you want access to this feature-packed template, download it from the link. This PPT slide lets you define a reasonable hypothesis to propose a testable prediction or explanation that guides the research investigation. Get a well-structured layout to mention the methodologies employed for data gathering and analysis, emphasizing the study design and defining groups. Provide a comprehensive description of participant demographics as well. Additionally, it incorporates a Tukey test sample to identify and present distinct means that exhibit significant differences. Using this PPT sample, you can confidently present your thesis results in a compelling manner, capturing the attention and earning nods of approval from your audience. Save valuable time and effort while sidestepping the hassle of creating a presentation from scratch. Simply download this template from the provided link. For a concise presentation of your results, harness the power of bar diagrams and pie charts. These visual aids allow you to deliver quick and impactful outcomes without consuming much time of the audience. Also, not to forget the limitations of your study that impacted or influenced the interpretation of the findings from your research. Use this slide to give the conclusion and clearly state the answer to your main research question. It should be concise and engaging, leaving your readers with a clear understanding of your main findings. If you want your dissertation to stand out from the rest of the pack, download this presentation from the given link. Enhance your presentation with additional slides to elaborate on the implications for future research. Include a dedicated reference slide to acknowledge the sources you have used for your research. Don't miss the opportunity to grab this popular sample to create a memorable presentation on your thesis. Download today, or visit www.slideteam.net for more templates.